Hi guys, it's kit day in the scrap room, and lately I've been getting these Ali Edwards kits, so I thought I would do an unboxing with you guys just because it's been a long time since I've done an unboxing. So I get all three of the Ali Edwards kits. I get three Ali Edwards kits each month for now. It's not a long-term plan for me, but I thought I would try all three of them. I get the story stamp, which is a stamp subscription. Every month you get one 4x6 stamp set that goes along with the story kit. And so I also get the story kit, which is a bundle of goodies that are geared towards telling specific types of stories each month. So this month the theme is we. And so we get this large word, acrylic word, as well as a bunch of cards. And the stamp set usually goes along with, well, it always goes along with that story kit, although it can be used separately as well. And then I also get the Stories by the Month kit, which is a more general daily scrapbooking kit that just allows you to capture your monthly memories in pocket page format. So there are 3x4 and 4x6 cards in this, as well as in this, as well as some embellishments. So I'll start by showing you guys the stamp set. So here's the stamp set for the month. It says we have everything we need right here, just the two of us, you plus me. All we need is us. We're all in this together. This is so us. Really nice ampersand here and another ampersand here, and the two of them can be layered together. This is our story. Love this, love you, love us. Our life, the story of us. And everything is better when we're together. And this stamp set is 4x6, as I mentioned, and it does come with this insert, which gives you some ideas of how to tell some stories relating to we. A place for you to record some of the stories that you plan to tell. It talks about the hashtag, which is craft the story, and how to go to aliedwards.com for more inspiration. And also gives you even a place here to practice pre-stamping your images to make sure that you're familiar with the set and how it works. So I also wanted to mention that if you get the stamp kit as well as the story kit, you do also get access to the digital kit, which is, I don't usually access it, so I don't know exactly what it includes, but my understanding is that it includes digital copies of all of the cards, as well as maybe the stamps. I don't know. And so that's worth checking out if you do get both of them. And you also get access to the story class, which is, I find very, very helpful and inspiring for telling interesting and different stories than I probably would have thought of telling on my own. So that's worth checking out as well. So I'll just open the story kit. And I like that it comes in these pouches. It keeps all your supplies together. I'm going to start by showing you the cards. I just have to open them up first. They come wrapped in cellophane. The 4x6 and the 3x4 are wrapped together. So in the story kit, you get a total of 8 4x6 cards, but you also get this quote card that has kind of like marketing information about the kit. And so if you include that, then the total is actually 9 4x6 cards that you can use. So I'll show you what comes in this kit. So this one has this really pretty, almost like a grayish gingham, and it says, at the end of the day, we can endure much more than we think we can. We believe, and then a list of numbers here. All we need is us, and some journaling lines. That's like a very, very dark green. The story of us, moments plus memories, in this beautiful frame shape with a light blue background. And then the letters are that kind of very, very dark green, maybe an inky blue. I can't tell. It's not quite black. We have everything we need right here. So very thankful. Everything is better when we're together. This is what our life looks like. And then these sayings on circles, or partial, kind of like wonky circles. They're not perfect circles. We love each other no matter what. We look for the good. We live for today. We laugh hard. We give second chances. We say I love you. We make time. We forgive and move forward. We do our best to try and try again. And then this is that marketing card. So it says, we were together, I forget the rest. I like that one. So then again, we have some of the same information that comes inside of the stamp kit, just in case you don't get both of them. You get the story ideas and a place to write down what you plan to tell this month. And I always take this space and I write the month because I don't always use these kits right away. So this one is June 2020. So here are the 3x4 cards. Has love this, love you, love us. You say and I say. I like that card. Where we love is home, home that our feet may leave, but not our hearts. Oh, I like this card. I like the typewriting on it. It says, we fall, we break, we fail, but then we rise, we heal, we overcome. I like this card too. It has this large ampersand and it says you and me and you could kind of put photos in these. Oh, I love this. You kind of put this in the center of your page and then have photos in the pockets to the left and right. So you could put photos to the left and right and bottom of this card to tell a really fun story. I like that a lot. Right here, right now, and then us in the center, and then these journaling boxes. We've got this one day at a time together. I quite like that as well. And then we have we, and we have 1, 2, and 3. Together, so thankful for our story. This kit, I really like some of the design elements. It's very, very pretty. I'm noticing that it has a very autumn kind of color scheme. This is the June kit, and so it's interesting choice of colors, but for me personally, I don't always use these kits in order, and so my stories tend to be pretty timeless, and so this isn't going to make a big difference to me. This is after all this time, always. This is so us, with some journaling lines, and we are what we believe we are. So there, that's nice. I like that. I like those cards. So then in addition to the 8 or 9, depending on how you count them, 4x6 cards and the 12 3x4 cards, if I didn't mention that, there's 12 of those, we get this assortment of embellishments as well. I just depackaged all of these embellishments. Now I'm not going to use this kit right away, so I'm actually hanging on to the packaging for some of the embellishments, but we have this set of stickers right here, and they are completely clear, and they are that kind of shiny finish. And they have phrases like teamwork, our best moments, you and me, we've got this right here, and this together, our story, this is us, better together. So these would be quite nice, layered on things. I like that they're clear because it's kind of like a nice way to add some text to something, you know, to a card or something. Then we have the chipboard. Every month there's a set of chipboard, and there's always a set of some other kind of sticker as well. And so you will always get this 4x6 sheet of chipboard. The colors always coordinate with the colors in the kit, and the phrases are always similar, but not there's some overlap. There's some exact repeated phrases between the cards and the stamp and the chipboard, but there's also some unique elements as well. So these are my people. We're all in this together. You plus me plus you plus me. I like these long ones. Cheers to our story, our own little world. We belong together. You plus me, just the two of us. This is us. Then we have this little set of journaling cards. These are really cute. I'm going to go in a little closer so you can see them better. It says better together. There's 2 of each of them by the look of it, in that kind of blue color, 2 of the blue color. It looks like there's only 1 of this kind of brown. We've got a dark green, a gray, 2 of the gray, 2 of the black, a lighter gray, and another one of the dark green. Then we have This Is Us. This is a white painted wood veneer. That's really pretty. And then we always get either a large or sometimes it's a small acrylic piece. That is always the title of the kit. I just love the quality of these embellishments. They're very, very nice. Like even these journaling pieces, they're not just little pieces of paper. They're nice cardstock, and they're well printed. They're really beautifully made. And then we get a set of these acetate shapes that are also printed. So there's a heart, a star that says we've got this. And I just want to point out that these have a little coating on them that you can peel off. And underneath it's actually a shinier surface than what it looks like it is. See that? And so this little sheet, this little covering just serves to keep them from getting scratched as they're kind of against one another in the packaging. But I almost always leave the little piece, the little film on it, because I like the slightly hazy and matted look that it gives. But it's nice to have that option to have two different looks if you like that. This ampersand here and these pieces cut out. There we go. And then there's an asterisk and a little polka dotted plus sign. I like these shapes. And so that is what you get in the story kit. And then of course the story stamp. This kit sells for starting at $19.99. So that's with a 12-month subscription. You can get this kit for $19.99 per month. And it costs a little bit more if you go for a 6-month subscription, or more still if you go for month to month. And the stamp subscription is the exact same price. So it starts at $19.99 as well. Okay, so let's dive into the Stories by the Month kit now. Each month, these kits come in this little reusable zipper bag. I find it really helpful having these little bags around my scrap room, especially for times when I want to grab a few things and go, or when I'm packing for crops. And sometimes we just use them for other household things as well. If we're traveling or just gathering up stuff, it's nice to have some of these on hand. I keep my kits in this bag for the month that I'm scrapping. And then, so these are June, for example. I'm about to scrapbook my June. And so as soon as I'm finished documenting June, I will kind of de-kit this and put it all into my stash, whatever's left. And by that point, the new kit would have arrived. So I always have one intact. And then when I'm finished with it, I put it away. So this kit also comes with some 4x6 and 6x4 cards that are cellophane together, a sticker set, a chipboard set, a small stamp set, and there's usually some other type of embellishment. This time it is a little bit of wood veneer. Oh, and there's always a quote card that's in addition to the cards that are included in here. Okay, so I've unpackaged everything that comes in the kit. So here is the quote card, the 4x6 quote card. It says here, and then I realized adventure was the best way to learn. And then in addition to that quote card, we do have 4 more 4x6 cards, and we have 8 3x4 cards. So I'll show you the cards. This one, whoops, a little bit of adhesive there. This one says loving, and I really love that font, and the colors in this kit are so soft and beautiful. I really love them. This one says let's do summer over and over again, and I can see these kind of being cut out as strips that you could use, but the card would also look nice as a whole. This one says Summer Joys, and it's got this really pretty floral pattern. I really love those colors. So bright, but yet they work so well with the other soft colors. Finding my own way through this season one day at a time. It's a really pretty blue color, or green, mint, whatever. Now for the 8 3x4 cards, we have around here, and it says June looks like this. June memories. There's always a card that's like this. It's just, I think it might always be the month and then memories. I could be wrong. Unplanned moments are great. Bring on the summer fun in that really fun summer font. Watch more sunsets than Netflix. I like that. June moments, the story. Saying yes to all things summer, and these really cute watermelon pattern, and then slow down. So those are the cards. In addition to that, we have these circle stickers that say things like bucket list, June love, summer joys, around here, less inside, more outside, this moment, less Netflix, be happy now. Then we have all of these chipboard pieces, the numbers 1 through 10, as well as all of these different phrases on the summer list, let in the light, June vibes, June stuff, love June, summer bucket list, more outside and less inside. I like these. I love these chipboard pieces. They're nice. They're not the shine. They don't have the shiny finish on them. They are a matted finish. And I really love how the chipboard sheet works. Like they're perfectly cut so that they actually stay in the sheet. And even when you handle it quite a lot and you're popping the pieces out, you can even pop the piece back in if you change your mind and it stays put. It's not like some pieces of chipboard that are falling apart and then you're losing the pieces and then it's hard to know what you have at a quick glance. So I really love this chipboard. It's fun to work with. Then the stamp set is always a 3x4 stamp set, and it has June memories. It always has this or something similar to this, like one that has the month. It has that loving word, but smaller, so that if the other version of it doesn't work for you, or if you want to use some repetition, you've got this. This might look really nice, repeatedly stamped in a row in different colors of ink. That'd be very pretty accent on a card. Let's do summer, summer joys, and then this beautiful little leaf thing, sprig of leaves or whatever that might be called. Then the little chipboard pieces are really, really cute. We've got a sun, and maybe they're all suns. Yeah, I guess they're probably all suns, but some of them look kind of more and less stylized than the others. They're so pretty. And it seems like you could maybe use them along with these, right? Like you could probably put those chipboard pieces on top and have the little suns coming out around it. Cute, eh? They might also work with the stickers or with other embellishments. Cute. I really like those. This kit goes for $13.99 for a 12-month subscription. It's a little bit more for a 6-month subscription and a little bit more still for a month-to-month subscription. So I'm going to put this one away for a little while and get to it a little bit later. And this one I'm actually going to use today to start scrapbooking my June memories. So thanks so much for watching. Take care and have a really great scrappy week.